Have you ever wondered what actually goes through the mind of an animal when they look at you? Do they see us as just a complex machine that provides food? Or can they truly decode the depth of human emotions? We have built technology capable of connecting with a rover on Mars from the comfort of our couches. Yet, between us and the silent companions who have walked alongside humanity for millennia, there remains a vast, invisible wall of silence. But science is finally cracking the code. Recent breakthroughs in neuroscience and animal psychology are revealing secrets that challenge our very understanding of intelligence. Today, on Jamezzbell Quark, we step across the divide. It all begins with a gaze. In neuroscience, a phenomenon known as gaze following is a hallmark of high intelligence. When a human looks towards an object, advanced animals like chimpanzees, dolphins, and even your household dog will instantly track your eyes to see what you are looking at. They aren't just looking at you, they are reading your intent. For decades, scientists used the mirror test to measure self-awareness. Put a colorful mark on an animal's forehead, place them in front of a mirror, and see if they realize the reflection is themselves. Most animals fail. A dog will bark at its reflection, seeing a stranger. A cat will ignore it entirely, finding no scent, no reality. But then the giants broke the rule. When Asian elephants were tested, they didn't attack the mirror. Instead, they used it to investigate the marks on their own bodies. Magpies, manta rays, and chimpanzees pass too. They possess a profound psychological truth. They know they exist. They know they are individuals navigating a world dominated by us. To understand how animals view us, we must look through their evolutionary lens. Take cats, for example. Behavioral biologists have discovered that cats do not view humans as a separate, superior species. To a cat, you are simply a giant, clumsy, non-hostile roommate who happens to be excellent at opening cans of food. They groom us and rub against us just as they would another giant cat. Dogs, however, see us through the psychology of the pack. When a dog looks at its owner, its brain releases oxytocin, the love hormone, in massive amounts. They don't just see a roommate, they see a pack leader, a protector, and in many ways, a deity. To a dog, you are a magical being who controls the weather, the doors, and the absolute flow of time. But what about the wild? To crows, foxes, and wolves, humans are the most unpredictable forces of nature. Crows can remember specific human faces for over 5 years. If you harm them, you are marked as danger. If you feed them, you are a source of abundance. We are not just background noise to the wild. We are a puzzle they are constantly trying to solve. Beyond sight and psychology, there is a hidden bridge between us and the animal kingdom, the world of sound. Animals perceive frequencies that are entirely silent to human ears. Yet, when we speak to them in high-pitched, comforting tones, often called motherese, their brains light up. We are communicating across a spectrum of pure emotion, bypassing the need for language. But do they enjoy our art? Recent acoustic studies show that while animals generally find human pop or rock music stressful, they react profoundly to custom-made sounds. Cats relax to music that mimics the frequency of a mother's purr. Elephants are calmed by slow, low-frequency classical melodies. When the frequency is right, our music becomes a shared sanctuary. This creates a form of emotional resonance. When you are stressed, your pet's heart rate actually increases in response to your biological signals. They don't just hear your voice, they decode your chemical state, your heartbeat, and your aura. In a universe of silence, they are listening to the very rhythm of your soul. When we strip away human language, technology, and civilization, we are left with a profound realization. We are not separate from the animal kingdom. We are deeply woven into the same planetary tapestry. Every creature, from the microscopic quark to the blue whale, communicates through a complex network of biology and shared consciousness. Because we pass the mirror test, because we possess the ability to look back at ourselves and the universe, we carry a unique responsibility. Animals do not see us as rulers of the world. They see us as custodians. To them, we are the guardians of the environment, the keepers of the trees, and the protectors of the silent spaces. The next time you look into the eyes of an animal, remember, you are looking at a mind that is constantly decoding you, feeling you, and sharing this cosmic journey with you. Thank you for exploring the unseen connections with us today. If this journey blew your mind, hit subscribe, leave a comment with your thoughts, and stay curious. This is Jamezzbell Quark signing off.